Hi campers! Today we're going to make healthy chocolate chip banana cookies. The things you'll need will be a large mixing bowl, some frozen bananas, some oats, and then we're also going to need oat flour, which is just blended oats, some baking powder, some vanilla extract, a bit of salt, some eggs, and some chocolate chips. I'm using little baby chocolate chips, but you can use any size that works for you. The first thing we're going to do is mash our bananas like this, and I just microwaved mine for 1 minute so that I could mash them. Also note that if your bananas are not frozen and they're just ripe, you can go right ahead and mash them. Now we're going to add 1/2 of a cup of the mashed bananas to our bowl. Next we're going to add 1 egg. Now we're just going to mix these up until we get a uniform liquid like this. Now that we've got our wet mixture, we're going to add our dry ingredients. So here I have some oat flour, and oat flour is just blended oats. So I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of oat flour. So 1/3 and 2/3. Next we're going to add our rolled oats. So here I'm going to add just 1/3 of a cup of rolled oats. Finally, we're going to add the finishing touches, so we're going to add a pinch of sea salt. We're going to add a little bit of cinnamon, and we're going to add our chocolate chips. So you can add as many chocolate chips as you like. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. Now that everything is mixed up, we are going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. This is the baking soda I'm using. And we're also going to add some vanilla extract. This is going to give it a really nice flavor, so add about 1/2 teaspoon of that. Now we are going to put our cookie dough onto the trays. I've just lined a baking tray with parchment paper, and as you can see, I've begun taking little scoops of the dough and placing it on my tray like this. It should be a bit runny, but if you leave it to bake, it will definitely get harder. I'm now setting my cookies in at 360 for 20 minutes. Okay, so I've taken them off the cookie tray and put them on this plate now, and they baked for 20 minutes, and I just let them cool for 10 minutes. I hope you guys had fun. Bye!